Hi everyone, I'm back in my art room. I'm going to do a kind of like a funnel pour, but something different that I'm going to use. I'm going to try and see what kind of effect I get. I'm going to use a teapot. Sounds weird, but hey, if a funnel can work, a teapot might work. And then I noticed this teapot has little holes inside there rather than one hole for the spout. So we'll see how it goes. I'll give it a try. So I'm just going to use some primary colors with some white. Where's my white paint? Here's my white paint. Okay. So I'm going to put some white in the bottom. And I was going to put some dimethicone in one of my colors. Let me find it. So what I think I'll do is I'll put it in the white because I have my colors in these bottles right now and I don't want to mix it in there. So I'll just put a couple of drops in the white. That was a big drop. And I'll give it a stir. So this stirs in. And then the colors will go on top of it and mix in. All right, so we will go with, I'll do some blue on top. If you can see me blue. Maybe I'll face you down and you can see what I'm doing better. All right. Straighten it out a bit. There. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the teapot. I'll put it here. I'll put it right here. So I got the blue in there. I'll put some yellow in. And I'll put some red. Just have to figure out how much to use. Put some more yellow. This time, the first time I kind of squirted it in the white. This time I'm just layering it on top. You can see in there. More yellow. And these paints are mixed with floetrol. Just floetrol and water. Some more red. I think my lid is... My lid of my red is plugged, so I think I'll just pour it like this. This is quite a lot of paint, so I'm not sure if I should put the white on top. No, I'm not putting any more white in. I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I did put quite a bit in the bottom. Some more yellow. Blue. And red. And I think that's it. All right. So I'm not sure if I should do circles. I think I'll just go up and down. Okay. I'm going to start in the middle. Well, it doesn't want to come out. Here it comes. Wow, that's dark there. Guess that's the blue and the red. I just have to make sure that it doesn't come out the top of the teapot. Still dark. The paint is going through the holes, so it's splitting up. White isn't coming through. It'll probably come through last. So I'll just keep going up and down. All these colors look so nice. I do have plenty of paint. My hand is getting sore. Cells are popping through. Still a lot of paint. Oh, it's getting a sore back. Well, I have to continue because there's lighter colors to come. So I'll just keep going up and down. Fill in all the holes. I might stop soon because I don't think there's a lot of paint left in here. The lighter colors are coming out now. I'm just going to go for the rest. Let the white come out. It might sink anyway. Next time I'll do the white on the top, maybe. But I don't know. I don't know how this is going to look. It might look amazing this way. Well, I think it's almost all out now. I don't know whether I want to push the rest of this white out or not. Why not? If I don't, then I'll never know what it's going to look like. Still some white in the bottom. One more strip, I think, and that should be enough. Yep, I'm done. I like it the way it is. It looks very cool. It's amazing what 3 colors can turn into. So I'm just going to let it go this way to go over to the sides. Now let it go down that way, come back. Let it come back this way. Okay. Now I'll just let it go. Wanted it to go over this side. Let it run down here a bit. There, that's enough because let it go back this way again. Maybe I'll let more run off here. I want the stripes to stay. I like the stripes. Now I lost some there. I'll come back down this way a bit. It's hard to keep the stripes if you want to go sideways, so I think I'm gonna get my torch and see what happens. There's a lot of air bubbles. There wasn't a lot of silicone in here, so there won't be too many big cells coming up, I don't think. And a lot of the white stayed in there, so. Well, it's very cool. So now I know what the look is. So you just can figure out what colors you like. If you want just 2 colors, 1 color, well, not 1 color, but 3 colors. It looks very cool. Lots of cells here. So the sides are more bubbly, but that's okay, I like it. I think I'm gonna leave it. And that's a new technique. I wonder if it would work. I bet it would look nice in a circle. I'll do that one next. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. And you'll probably see some more. I better wash my teapot out so it doesn't get yucky in there. Let me hold this up for you. Check that out. Yellow, blue, red, and a little bit of white and some white. Look how cool that looks. Thanks for watching. And come back soon. Leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take care, bye-bye. Hi. This is my dried teapot pour. Dried pretty good, nothing moved. Color stayed great. Take you in for a close-up. Can't wait to try this again. I'll try it in circles next time, maybe on a record. Dried awesome. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.